The SRS extension identifies a sound retrieval system audio file containing audio processed with SRS audio enhancement technology. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play, convert, or troubleshoot these audio enhancement files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for SRS problems. See below for my top choice. SRS files are audio files, processed using SRS Sound Retrieval System audio enhancement technology. They contain audio data with embedded SRS spatial and bass enhancement parameters designed to improve playback quality through SRS-compatible audio hardware and software processors. SRS audio files may use standard PCM containers with embedded SRS metadata for enhancement parameter application during playback. The SRS processing adds perceived spatial width bass extension and dialog clarity through psychoacoustic signal processing algorithms. The SRS format operates under the official standard set by SRS Audio Sandbox, Legacy, from SRS Labs, acquired by DTS Inc. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows gives you quick listening access, but expert-level editing requires dedicated audio suites. The solution begins by testing the installed programs. Right-click the SRS file and choose Open With. Use SRS Audio Sandbox, Legacy as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be systematic in your application testing. When your SRS file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. You're dealing with a truly tricky SRS file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, playing the file. Try opening the SRS file in VLC Media Player or Windows Media Player, which may recognize the underlying audio format. If playback fails, rename the extension to WAV or MP3 and retry. The audio content may be in a standard format with SRS metadata appended. Next, converting to standard formats. Use FMPEG to convert SRS files by running FMPEG. input SRS output.wave to extract the audio content. If FFmpeg does not recognize the format, try opening in Audacity using File, then Import then Raw data with appropriate sample rate and bit depth settings. Finally, understanding SRS technology. SRS audio enhancement is a playback processing technology rather than an encoding format. Many SRS files are standard audio files that have been tagged for SRS processing. The actual audio data is typically PCM WAV or compressed audio with SRS metadata headers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.